In this help video, I'd like to go through the download, installation and import of our MTPredictor Bloodhound compatible indicators. Please note these are completely separate from our normal MTPredictor tools. We've had to do it as a completely separate product just for technical reasons. I won't go into detail, but just to say that they have to be completely separate. So to do this, first of all, we go to our MTPredictor website, we come to support, we come to the customers area, so we'll log into our MTPredictor customers area. So log into the customers area. I'll just log in here. If you just hang on a second. Right, I've logged into the MTPredictor customers area. So once you're in the MTPredictor customers area, you need to go to at the top here. Do you see where it says welcome? If you hover over the welcome icon on the menu at the top, you have the two options here. You have your install for the MTPredictor Pro version, which is the version you need to have to be able to use our MTPredictor compatible Bloodhound compatible indicators. But then there's a second option down here which says Bloodhound. So go to welcome, come down to Bloodhound, and it takes you to a Bloodhound installation page. Before you download them, just have a quick look through here. It gives you a quick outline of how we're going to do the installation, which is importing them into NinjaTrader, and then how to add Bloodhound to a chart. There are separate videos that go into those in a bit more detail. So let's click on download the Bloodhound version, which is what it will do. You can see at the top here it's now downloaded it into your PC, so you can either know where that one is, so that will be downloaded into your downloads folder. So we don't do anything, we don't click on it, because this is a zip file. This is a zip file that we'll then import into NinjaTrader. So don't click on it, just remember where it's been downloaded to. So let's just close that down. Let's now start NinjaTrader. I've actually got NinjaTrader running already. So you start NinjaTrader, don't open any workspaces or anything, just go in and start NinjaTrader. Once you're here, go to Tools, then come down to Import. Now this is different to the way we install our normal MTPredictor indicators. We've got an installer program that runs those, but because these are separate and they are slightly different the way they work, we have to import them into NinjaTrader. So go to Tools, Import, and then import NinjaScript add-on. Do you see that? NinjaScript add-on. Click on that, and now we'll just basically follow the prompts through. So if you just wait for a second, it will open up a window that allows you to select the file. So here we go here. This is the one I've downloaded. It's our MTPredictor Bloodhound zip file here. So this will be in your downloads folder. You'll see that downloads. So there it is there. If you double click on it, it's now saying, do you want to import this? So you say OK. It already exists on my PC because I've got it already. So for you, you may not get this particular message, so just say yes, and it will import it. It says you require that you shut down and restart the application. Okay, so what we do on that is when you do OK, you just follow the prompts. So we need to now close NinjaTrader, then reopen NinjaTrader, just reopening, just bear with us for a second, just coming in. Right, when you're in now, you can either open your workspaces that you have, or you can open a new chart. I'm just going to quickly open a new chart. It's just opening a new chart there. There we go. So from here you can either add on the Bloodhound indicator directly onto a chart, or if you want to, you can add our MTPredictor template first. Let's just open one of these just so it looks like an MTPredictor chart, so you're familiar with this. There it is. So now you can then add Bloodhound to your chart. By doing this, you go to Indicators, and this is covered in a bit more detail in a separate video. Go to Shark Indicators, come down to Bloodhound, and then from there just make sure that maximum lookback bars is set to infinite, which it should be. Then do OK, and there you go. Bloodhound is now open on your chart and ready to go. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to add some of our MTPredictor indicators into Bloodhound. But this video is just purely and simply showing you how to download, install and import the MTPredictor version of our Bloodhound compatible MTPredictor version into NinjaTrader. Remember, it's a completely separate install where we basically download it from our website. It's downloaded as a zip file, and then to import its tools, import NinjaScript add-on. So once you've done that, you should be ready to go.